If you want to remove someone from your free email list, or if you want to revoke someone's subscribership, here's the way you do it. Come over here to your dashboard. Come over here to subscribers. Now we see I only have 2 email list subscribers on here currently, and I have no paid subscribers. But what you would do for the free ones is you come over here, click on this, edit subscription, and you can remove from email list, or you can grant subscriber status. But that is how you remove them from the email list. Now when it comes to a subscriber, let's get a little help from Substack. Okay? So with this one, what you want to do is, number 1, you want to log into your account and navigate to dashboard, navigate to subscribers, just like I showed you. 2, you're going to scroll down to your list of subscribers, search for the relevant subscriber, click the result, click edit subscription. Very similar to what we did with the free list. You can choose to either revoke subscriber status, cancels their paid subscription but they remain a free subscriber, or remove from email list, cancels their paid subscription if applicable, and unsubscribes them from your free list. When you revoke a paid subscription, they will receive a refund for the remaining time. For example, if you cancel a subscriber with 2 months left in their annual subscription, they'll get a refund for those 2 months, but not for the previous 10 months. And here is what those buttons look like. Revoke subscriber status, remove from email list. Just like that, it's very simple to do, and I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video.